Alright, hi guys. So it's 1 o'clock right now. I'm going to fold some laundry that I kind of just threw on the ground. So let me just take you along with me. So this is the current situation. I have to clean this, and yeah, so this should take me a little bit of time, and I want to take you with me. Let's go. Alright, so I still have a mess in my corner that I need to organize really badly, but the main thing is that I folded all of the clothes. Here's Andrew's clothes, and now those are my clothes, and now I just have to put them away. So let me do that, and then I'll try to organize this area and show you afterwards. Okay, so I put all of Andrew's clothes away. He kind of has his area. It's messy, but organized to him, so that's his stuff. Now mine is messy too, so it's messy to him and it's messy to me anyway. Well, I'm going to try to tackle this and make it look a little better. So this is my closet. It's really tiny. It's filled, as you can see. I have shoes all the way back there, and then like from corner to corner it is filled with clothing. And I also have a small little IKEA dresser. I wish I could afford to buy a bigger one, maybe in the future. And then I don't have any storage for blankets in this apartment, which is a real bummer because they just kind of have to sit there for now. And these are all the clothes that I need to attempt to put away, or make somewhat look organized. And here's Andrew's closet. I should have taken that closet instead of this one, but I really liked this one because it has a cute door. But his closet is also filled with art supplies, books, guitars, which I should say, and he has a tiny little rack to store his clothing. So yeah, let me try to clean this up and organize it. Okay, so this is the finished area, finally. So, put everything in the closet that needed to be hung up. These are just like jeans and like that black t-shirt. Right over here is a pajama shirt. I have pepper spray here because I'm going to give that to my daughter for her birthday. Her birthday is on the 15th of February. She's turning 20 and she needs pepper spray. And then there's my travel bag. I have some pajamas and lingerie, slippers and some boots that don't fit, and then again linens that I have no space for, and then just some little random things that I have here. And then over here, like you'll notice, I have no storage in this apartment. I have to store like all my swimsuits, and then underwear and socks, and then towels and like hand rags that I may have. So hope you enjoyed this little organization. It looks better. I mean, it could be 10 times better, but this is what I've got to work with. Thanks for watching. Bye.